Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Kim. I show everyone how to properly trade binary options and also show you to the easiest and most profitable strategies for you. Before starting this video, I recommend you to subscribe to my closed Telegram channel where I post free signals with 90% accuracy. Link in the descriptions and we start our trading. So guys, let's get started trading. In the previous video we started with $4,000 on the balance. Today we are gonna open $1,000 position. We are definitely gonna make it up to $20,000. That is our challenge for today. Let's pick the indicators. Let's be the alligator and fractal. We are gonna play with the trend. We trade on a 1 minute time frame for the maximum deposit amount. So let's get down to trading and find the better currency pair. We are interested in the most profitable payout rate. Let's open our long position. Here we open 4 long position at once. We spot a very good trade entry and we play ahead of the market. We see that the upward dynamics is dominating again. After this correction, the moving average of the alligator are facing upwards. We observe the updating of the local low on the fractal, and after this pullback we are expecting the continuation of the growth. So the local high should be updated in the near future. The crossing of the moving average indicates as that, and basically I think we opened correctly, and yep, we already see a good breakout. Exactly as I predicted, there are around 10 seconds left before the closing of the positions. And let's watch the price movement. Yes, our first position have been closed in profit, guys. Great outcome. There was nothing complicated about it. So let's find another trade entry. We are gonna find the highest payout rates. I think you already got the principle of opening position when using this strategy. Let's open 7 shorts position here. We are playing ahead of the market. Look, we see a good correction here. The alligator moving average facing downwards. We understand that this pullback should be over now, and after this pullback the price will go lower. It looks like the price hasn't hit the support zone yet, and it's not healthy in this case, so the price should eventually touch the support zone, and only then the price will continue going up, and our position will end up in profits. And as you can see, the breakdown has already happened and I'm okay. The price movement so far, it's kind of impulse, but it's fine, I guess. There are several seconds left before the closing, and all the positions have been closed in profit, guys. We got $13,000 on the balance. There is no stopping here. We need more profit. Let's find the next currency pair. We are gonna pick the highest payout rate. Let's open 6 long position here, and we are playing ahead of the market again. You shouldn't worry about this impulse to the downside, that's the pullback we've been waiting for. If there is a strong impulse, then a strong upward movement will be expected. All the indicators moving average are facing upwards. The local low was updated here, and the updating of the local high hasn't happened yet according to the fractal. That's why we are gonna expect this, and we opened the long position. Look at this, guys. The breakout has already happened, exactly as I said, guys. There is nothing to worry about, and the trade is completely justified. We opened 6,000 position in total. I didn't want to put all the money at risk. Another position in a profit, guys. Actually, some of them ended up with zero. We see that the candle dumped at the end. That's why I didn't trade for all the money. But anyway, we got 2,000 in profit. We see that the local high has been updated here. I told you that, and several position ended up with zero, guys. So we missed the right timing a little bit. We spent too much time on explanation before opening trades, but still we are in a profit. That's fine. Let's continue analyzing. We are interested in the highest payout rate. So here we open 4 long position. I think it's gonna be fine. And let me explain the principle of the straight entry. Basically, I think you got it by yourself. There was a strong upward dynamics right from this level. And this strong correction right after is absolutely healthy for this kind of movement. So we are looking for the green candle here. Even if the movement reverse and go to the downside, the price should definitely go up now. So this is kind of interesting for us, and let's watch. We already see that a good pullback is gaining moments. There are around 10 seconds left before the closing. So, and the short signals is absolutely justified. We got $18,000 on the balance. Let's continue our trading session and find the next currency pair. Let's continue analyzing. We are looking for the most profitable payout rate as usual. And let's open our long position here. I will point out the workspace. The principle of the straight entry is absolutely identical. We see the upward dynamics, all the movement coverage are facing upwards. We observe a nice correction from this local high. In addition, we see that this candle has a huge shadow, and this our extra signal that the price will go up. That's why I think we opened correctly here. And guys, the breakout is gaining moments now. There are around 10 seconds left before the closing. I don't think this price fluctuation I expected here. This candle should be closed in 30 seconds. And based on what we seen, we have 4 position in profit, guys. There are around several seconds left before the closing. And yes, we are in profits again, no big deal. And let's open our final position in order to consolidate the profit. Let's change the currency pair. Let's change the currency pair. Continue our trading session. Don't forget about this highest payout rate. Let's open 5 long position, guys. Iceland explanation are no longer required here. The price rejected from the support zone and started going upwards. The crossing of the moving coverage, the elongated jaws are facing upwards. We also see this correction here. We can assume that this was the touch of the support zone, but it's not that. The support zone is actually here and the price should move high. And I'm expecting to see the breakout of the support zone, and we are going to expect the price to hit the support zone in the near future, so I'm sure about the straight entry. So guys, the breakout is happening right now, inception of the green candle, and it leads to upward dynamics. That's why our position should be in profits. And yes, we are in a profit, guys. There was nothing complicated about it. That's what we've managed to reach today. We got almost $30,000, guys, on our balance. Actually, it took us several minutes to earn that, and all my trading signals worked out. And let's get down to withdrawal. And we are gonna withdraw, so let it be $20,000. Press the continue button. That's it, guys. Our transaction has been processed. I will attach the screen where it's done. Thanks for watching. Don't forget subscribe, like, and to go my closed Telegram channel. We will trade and earn together.